Hey ladies, welcome to my beachy hair wave tutorial. I did this right after I got back from Puerto Rico, so I wanted to show you guys how I achieved it. So starting off, I start with 3 sections and I'm just clipping up the first one now. And I will start with the bottom and then I'll do like the crown of my hair, or the middle section, and then I'll move on to the crown. So I use, we'll put it in the description, I believe it's a 1-inch curling iron by Conair. I turn that thing all the way up, which I don't think you're supposed to. So if you're a hairstylist, please don't yell at me. And I do little tiny sections, probably like a 1/2 inch each little piece. And I start with going away from my face, as you're seeing now, and every time I drag the hair down. So I'll do a loop, I'll drag it down, go back up, drag it down, go back up, and I'll leave about 1.5 inches out on the bottom. So for the second piece, I will go towards my face. So every other, you will go away, then towards, away, and towards, and that will give you guys that really beachy, sectioned, like piecey look. Okay, so this next part, I am going to do the center section of my hair. So I take what's left and I do the very top of what you see is what I'm gonna pin up. So that's kind of like your finishing look. I pin all that up and then that's when I do the center part of my hair with the curls. So usually I part my hair too, side note, just so it's exactly where I want it, and the curls, I can tell exactly where the curls are gonna go. And yeah, here's me doing that section. Also with this section, guys, you're gonna leave the pieces that are right by your ear. You're gonna leave about 1 inch above your ear for the very end, because those are your finishing touches. So ignore those, kind of like I just did, and then do what you just did for the first level. So away, towards, and leave a good chunk of the end out. And just keep dragging the curling iron down like I am doing in this video. Okay, so here is the section near the ears. I like to do this part at the very end, just so I can get the look a little bit more precise of how I like it. So I'll usually divide this little section up into 3 pieces, and I bring the ends, I don't leave as much out with the ends. So kind of go curls all the way through, again, going up, pulling it down, and then pulling it down again, just like I am right now. so here we are at the very end, like before styling and stuff, but again, just like the ears, you're gonna leave out your bang section or the section that frames your face, because if you mess this up, there's no going back. So I like to leave a good chunk of that part out. It's just my little thing, I don't know. It's what I prefer to do. And same thing, go back and forward, and you really wanna drag this top section down so that you have a really elongated beachy look, which is showing you guys in slow-mo right now. So you kind of gives you that twist effect, and then I like to pull it all the way down. And you don't want to brush this out till the very end, and you'll want to do it with your fingertips. So also a note with this one, I like to do a couple of the pieces going away totally from the face until I get closer to the back of my head, so that I don't have crazy pieces like flipping towards my face on the top. So keep that in mind too. You'll just have to kind of eyeball it with what you prefer. Okay, and here we start the bangs. So same thing, section them off. I usually do 2 to 3 depending on how much hair I sectioned off. And you do the exact same thing you did. I'm just kind of anal and I like to do my bangs last. So you totally don't have to do it this way. I also sometimes go with the curling iron and go over them like a flat iron just to get them really kind of more relaxed, because I don't like super curly pieces next to my face. And then the other side, I just do the same thing as I did the rest of the head. And yeah, you can always add in more Beachy waves too. It's the messier the better. So don't be precise, just kind of throw some curls in every other direction and you'll get a really fun look with this. Okay, so here we are at the end. You can see it's all curled. At this point, I go through and I make the ends straighter of the pieces that I kind of didn't give enough length to. And I'll go through, and anything that needs a little bit more like levels or just like messiness, I'll actually wrap the hair around the curling iron just like you do with a wand. And this just gives it a little bit different of a curl to kind of break up the other curls. So super easy. Again, I like to crank my curling iron all the way up. Don't hold it for too long. And I believe you can get this curling iron at any Walgreens, Target, Walmart, Amazon, all that jazz. So hope this helps. Hope you guys like this. And I usually use like a sea salt spray at the very end, which I love the one. We'll put in the link also. It's like the one from Target that's white and blue. Or there's a lot of good ones out there. So thank you guys.